Hey, what's up, y'all? Alright folks, so we took an unconventional way to get to our hotel. We took the Skyliner back from Epcot and we walked through the resort now, and Marcelo has to go to the front desk really quick. But oh my goodness, it smells so lovely in here. Do you two want to walk over this way while Dad does that?
Yay! This one's very. Right now.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Push.
8629. Alright folks. Oh, there's like a cute little ledge right here where we can put our things.
Luca?
Oh my goodness, this is real nice.
You can see Epcot.
As always, we have our little kitchenette here. Hi.
Assuming this is from Kristen.
Oh, look at that. We have a little card here.
Hang on, buddy. Leo, can you wait? Let's read the card. Marcelo and family, welcome home. Bienvenue. If I can assist, please reach out and enjoy your visit, Kristen.
Aw,
So Daddy used to work for Kristen.
Thank you, Kristen. You are so kind. All right, welcome home.
What's in there?
We did get Luca. This is adorable. Look at. Oh my goodness, I love that little detail right up there. We have Luca.
You guys,
So we got
2 nights. Hang on.
that. There is a little table over here. Oh my goodness. And we have Rapunzel. Look at that. So there is Pascal there, sleeping with all his little night friends. And then, of course, there's Bluey.
Can I get that?
Our favorite show in the world.
Yes. Alrighty, and I'm going to take y'all outside. I love this little touch also. The Mickey and the railing. And then the chairs have the Riviera Resort logo on it. And we have the most perfect view of Spaceship Earth. And Kristen told Marcelo that you can see the Epcot fireworks from our room. Or I guess down to the front desk manager told us that we could see the Epcot fireworks from our room. So we actually might sit out here tonight and we will be able to see the fireworks right there. So this is so oh yeah.
Oh, cool.
Look at this.
Oh, that's
So
awesome.
Spaceship Earth's right there, and then this is the World Showcase. So the fireworks will be happening right here.
Awesome.
So that will be very exciting.
Picked the right spot for our car too.
We did. So this is perfect. This is absolutely wonderful.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We are in our room and we're about to go eat dinner soon. At Topolino, whatever it's called. Yeah. Topolino Terrace. Yeah, Topolino Terrace. And we're watching some baseball. And stay tuned when we eat our dinner. Bye.
Okay, friends, so we took a little respite while we were in our room. Just a little view, quiet pool, man in the pool. But we are headed up.
Guys, watch out in case people are coming up.
Okay. We are headed up to Topolino Terrace for our dinner tonight.
All the way up, my man. I don't know.
Yeah.
We're about to find out.
We didn't really look to see where our dinner was tonight, but we're gonna figure it out. So, y'all are coming along for the ride.
Yes, 631.
You're all tracked in our messaging.
Thank you. So we go that way?
Anybody have to ring the bathroom?
Yeah, the bathrooms are over there. Get all the... Nice little seating area.
Guys?
We have not. Sorry, dude.
Look, it's the town fair.
Oh, Penelope, they're spread.
You guys go over there?
Penelope.
You want to go sit? What do y'all say?
Thank you. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. Thank you so much.
Remember how to do cruise manuals?
Oh, I think that's Everest.
Where? That mountain? Yep, that is Everest. No.
I think I know which mountain. Wait.
Alrighty. So I ended up getting the Zero Proof Bee's Knees.
Got a big one.
And Dad, what'd you get?
The Marseille Spritz.
The Marseille Spritz. So I guess it's a gin base, but it's got basil. Mike, our server, told us that basil grows wild in Marseille, France. So it's got a whole bunch in there.
That looks good.
It does look
Cheers.
good. Cheers, Dad. What did you get?
And I got, right?
Yep.
And I got the rigatoni, and macaroni and cheese, and chocolate chunk.
Yes. You went pasta heavy tonight.
It's still raining.
Well, I forgot to video, of course, but we decided to get the gnocchi, which it is melt in your mouth good, and it comes with a short rib, mushrooms, some carrots, and this, I think it's a red wine jus, but this is absolutely delicious. Alright friends, our food has arrived. I got the filet, medium rare. Dad got the same thing.
This looks good.
Leo and Penelope actually both got the same thing. They both got the rigatoni, but Penelope got a second serving of pasta,
Jeez,
mac
girl.
and cheese, and Leo got the fruit. So we are about to enjoy this dinner.
So,
What did you guys get for dessert?
me and Leah, so we got the, sell the gelato, and they made it into Mickey Mouse.
They did.
I already ate mine. He
He
ate all of his chocolate.
Leo ate his Topolino.
Use your napkin, my man.
But
Topolino
doesn't take it. I'll put a
cappuccino.
picture in because I took a picture of it beforehand. Dad got the chocolate cake, which has a caramel center. And what else did it have? Strawberries and
Fresh strawberries.
then a little whipped cream.
Vanilla bean ice cream.
And then I got the fruits of the forest, which this is a hibiscus cake. Lemon curd, raspberries. This is a, what did he say? This was a hibiscus mousse?
No, the base.
I think it's a raspberry mousse. And then a blueberry basil sorbet with a basil sugar dust all around. So this is going to be
That's so
delightful.
good.
Okay, so it was short-lived, but we went down to the pool for a second, only to find out that they had called everybody in because it was lightning and
the
thundering.
thunder.
And we saw an old friend of ours. His name is Nathan, and he's just so sweet. He's here with his family, just visiting his family that's staying at the Riviera. But I also just saw a huge lightning strike.
It's kind of like when we saw Terrace.
Yes, kind of like when we saw Terrace. But here we go. There's all that rain goodness over there. And then, you know, there's like a little bit of hope in the distance, but there's so much rain happening over there.
That really looks like a Lion King-esque sunset right there.
Everything the light touches is
What about that area over there?
What about that dark, shadowy place?
Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up? The Epcot ball is lighting up and it's lightning.